Hello everyone, welcome to my mathematics class standard 6 chapter 4, which is about fraction. So today we discuss about various types of fractions. First we discuss about like fraction, a fraction having same denominator. Fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 7 by 9. You see, in all these fractions the denominator is 9, so these all are the like fractions. Unlike fractions, the fractions whose denominators are not same, or the fraction having unlike denominators, are called unlike fractions. 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 7 by 11, 18 by 13, 12 by 25. In all these cases the denominator are different, so the fractions with different denominators are known as unlike fractions. Unit fractions. The fraction with numerator 1 is called unit fraction. For example, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 12, 1 by 16. Here, in all these fractions, numerator is 1, so they are unit fractions. Proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. For example, 3 by 4, 5 by 7, 9 by 10, 11 by 15, 1 by 2. In all these fractions, their numerator are less than the denominators, so they are proper fractions. Improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called the improper fraction. 5 by 3, 7 by 8, 8 by 8, 4 by 9, 11 by 5. These are the examples of improper fraction. Method of converting unlike fractions into like fractions. Steps: first, find the LCM of the denominator of the given fraction. Multiply the numerator and denominator of each fraction by LCM divided by denominator. Convert the following fractions into like fractions. First, these are the 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 1 by 8, 4 by 9, 7 by 12. The denominators of the given fractions are 4, 6, 8, 9 and 12. Now find the LCM of the denominators 4, 6, 8, 9 and 12, which is equal to 72. Now make each fraction equivalent to fractions with the denominator 72. Now 3 by 4. Divide 72 by 4. We get 18. Now multiply numerator 3 and denominator 4 by 18, and this gives 54 by 72. Now 5 by 6. Divide 24 by 6. 72 by 6, and we get 12. Now multiply 12 by 5 and 6, and we get 60 by 72. Similarly, 1 by 8. Divide 72 by 8, and we get 9. Now multiply 9 with 1 and 8, so 1 into 9, 8 into 9, 1 into 9, 9, 8 into 9, 72. Divide 72 by 9, and we get 8. Now multiply 8, 4 into 8 by 9 into 8, which is equal to 32 by 72. Again, the denominator is 12, so divide 72 by 12. On dividing 72 by 12, we get 6. Now multiply 6 with the numerator and denominator of the fraction 7 by 12. So 7 into 6 by 12 into 6, which is equal to 42 by 72. So 54 by 72, 60 by 72, 9 by 72, 32 by 72, 42 by 72 are the required like fractions. Mixed fraction, a fraction which can be expressed as a sum of a natural number and a proper fraction, is called a mixed fraction. For example, 2 whole 3 by 5, 2 plus 3 by 5, 4 whole 5 by 6, which is equal to 4 plus 5 by 6, 9 whole 1 by 2, that is 9 plus 1 by 2. To convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, mixed fraction is equal to integral part means whole number part, into numerator plus into denominator plus numerator by denominator. Look example 2. 5. Convert each of the following into improper fraction. 5 whole 3 by 8, So 5 whole 3 by 8. 5 is the whole number, 3 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. Now multiply integral part or whole number part with the denominator. So 5 into 8 and add numerator to their product plus 3 by divided by denominator, that is 8. So 5 into 8, 40, 40 plus 3, 43 by 8. To convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction, divide the numerator by the denominator to get a quotient and a remainder. So required improper fraction is equal to quotient plus remainder by denominator. Now convert each of the following into a mixed fraction. 23 by 7. The given fraction is 23 by 7. On dividing 23 by 7, we get quotient is equal to 3 and remainder is equal to 2. So 23 by 7 is equal to quotient is 3 plus 2 by 7. 2 is the numerator, 2 is the remainder, remainder by denominator. 3 is the quotient, quotient plus remainder by denominator. So 3 plus 2 by 7, that is 3 whole 2 by 7. Comparison of fractions among two fractions with same denominator. The one with greater numerator is greater. 4 by 9 and 2 by 9. These two are the like fractions. So here, in case of like fractions, the fraction with greater numerator is greater. So 4 by 9 and in 4 by 9 and 2 by 9, 4 is greater than 2. So 4 by 9 is greater than 2 by 9. Among the two fractions with same numerator, then one with the smaller denominator is greater than 2. So 5 by 3, 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. In between 3 by 5 and 3 by 7, their numerator is same, 3 and 3. So in that case, the fraction with smaller denominator is greater. So 5 is smaller than 7. This is why 3 by 5 is greater than 3 by 7. Comparing any two fractions by cross multiplication. Let a by b and c by d be two given fractions. Cross multiply as shown. Means numerator of first fraction into denominator of second fraction and denominator of first fraction into numerator of second fraction. A by b, c by d, a into d and b into c. Find the cross product AD and BC. AD, if AD greater than BC, then A by B is greater than C by D. If AD is less than BC, then A by B is less than C by D. If AD is equal to BC, then A by B is equal to C by D. Compare the fractions 3 by 8 and 4 by 13. Now, by cross multiplication, we get 3 into 3, 39, 8 into 4, 32. So 39 is greater than 32. This is why 3 by 8 is greater than 4 by 13. Now comparing two fractions, two or more fractions, change the given fraction to like fraction. Insert the like fraction with one larger numerator. Now all the fractions may be arranged in ascending or descending order. Thus all the given fractions may be arranged in the desired order. Compare the fractions 5 by 6 and 7 by 9. Take the LCM of 6 and 9, that is 18. Now convert 5 by 6 and 7 by 9 into like fractions. So 5 by 6, if we multiply 3 with the 6, we get 18. So 5 into 3 by 6 into 3, that is 15 by 18. 7 by 9, if we multiply 2 by the 9, then we get 18. So 9 into 2 and multiply 2 with the numerator, that is 7 into 2 by 9 into 2, 7 into 2, 14 by 9 into 2, 18. So you see now 15 by 18 and 14 by 18, these two are the like fractions, and 15 is greater than 14. This is why 15 by 18 is greater than 14 by 18, and 5 by 6 is greater than 7 by 9. Rearrange the following fraction in ascending order. Given fractions are 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 7 by 15, 11 by 20, 23 by 30. LCM of denominators 3, 5, 15, 20, 30 is 60. Now convert all the fractions into like fractions, and we now arrange in decreasing order. So 2 by 3 becomes 40 by 60, 4 by 5 becomes 48 by 60, 7 by 15 becomes 28 by 60, 11 by 20 becomes 33 by 60, 23 by 30 becomes 46 by 60. Now we arrange Since 28 is smaller than 33, 33 is smaller than 40, 40 is smaller than 46, 46 is smaller than 48. So 28 by 60 is smaller than 33 by 60, 33 by 60 is smaller than 40 by 60, 46 by 60 is smaller than 48 by 60. So 7 by 15 is less than 11 by 12, 11 by 12 is less than 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is less than 23 by 30, 23 by 30 is less than 4 by 5. And these are the fractions in ascending order: 7 by 15, 11 by 20, 2 by 3, 23 by 30, and 4 by 5. Addition of fractions, like fractions. Sum of the like fractions, sum of their numerator by common denominator. 5 by 9 plus 2 by 9. Their common denominator is 9. Now take the sum of the numerator, 5 plus 2, that is 7 by 9. Addition of unlike fractions. Reduce them to like fraction and add. Find 5 by 9 plus 7 by 2. We have to find the sum of 5 by 9 plus 7 by 2. So doing so, first we have to convert them into like fraction. So take the LCM of 9 and 12. That is 36. Now 5 by 9. Divide 36 by 9 and we get 4. Now multiply 4 with both numerator 5 and denominator 9. So 5 into 4, 20. 9 into 4, 30. 36, that is 26 by 20 by 36. 7 by 12. 7 into 3 by 12 into 3. 7 into 3, 21. 12 into 3, 36. How do we get 3? We divide 36 by 12 and get 3 as the quotient. Now multiply the quotient with both numerator and denominator. Now 5 by 9 plus 7 by 12, 20 by 36 plus 21 by 36. Common denominator is 36. Now add the numerator, 20 plus 21, 41 by 36. Subtraction of fractions, like fractions. Difference of like fraction, difference of numerator by common denominator. Seven by 9 minus 2 by 9. Common denominator is 9. Now difference of numerator 7 by 7 minus 2 by 9, that is 5 by 9. Subtraction of unlike fractions. Find the difference of 7 by 8 minus 5 by 12. Take the LCM of 7 and 8 and 12, that is 24. Now convert these two fractions to like fraction. 7 by 8 is equal to 7 into 3 by 8 into 3, that is 21 by 24. To make the denominator 24, we multiply 3 by 8. 5 by 12, 12 into 2, 5 into 5 into 2 by 12 into 2, that is 10 into 10 by 24. 21 by 24 and 10 by 24 are like fractions. So 7 by 8 minus 5 by 12 is equal to 21 by 24 minus 10 by 24. Common denominator is 24. Now 21 minus 10 is equal to 11 by 24. The sum of two fractions is 7 whole 3 by 4. If one of them is 2 whole 5 by 6, find the other. Clearly, to get that, we have to subtract 2 whole 5 by 6 from 7 whole 3 by 4. So 7 whole 3 by 4 minus 2 whole 5 by 6. If we convert 7 whole 3 by 4 into improper fraction, it becomes 31 by 4. And 2 whole 5 by 6, it becomes 17 by 6. Now take the denominator, LCM of denominator 4 and 6. That is 12. Now 93 minus 34, that is 59 by 12. This is all about the addition and subtraction of fractions. Thank you.